Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to change keyboard theme on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go to the languages and input, and as can you see, we got here our current keyboard, the Gboard. Now just tap here to manage keyboards and go to the settings, and here just tap to the theme section, and here as can you see, we got our regular system theme, and you can change the color of your keyboard, and now for example to this one, or also you can select the red one. Also we can just go with the landscapes or with the gradient theme, for example by this, also for the dark gradient. And for example I'll show you this theme. Now as can you see that you can apply this one or the green one, for example, and now just tap here to apply, and now we'll check that. For example, we'll go on to the message application, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our keyboard theme. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.